Hello babies, and welcome back to my channel. As you all can see from the title, today I'm going to be showing you all how I achieved this hairstyle. And these are tape-in extensions, and I added some braids in the front with some rubber band kind of look going on, ma'am. And I feel Pocahontas, Cleopatra. Y'all know I've been working with Niawigs. From time I used to do like a bunch of videos with headband wigs. So if you guys haven't seen those and you like headband wigs, browse through my channel and look at some of my past videos. I have so many from Niawigs and they kill it every time. Literally, I love them. I love them. So they sent me some tape-in hair extensions because they wanted me to review them for you all, and I ended up getting the kinky straight hair extensions. So I'm so excited to show y'all how I installed it. I did this in a way where my hair is protected, the ends of my real hair are protected, and I also wanted to protect the front of my hair as well as my edges, which is why I added this half up half down style. Also, I didn't want to put heat on my hair because I do have kinky hair, so in order for my hair to blend in with this hair, I would have to typically blow dry it out and then flat iron it, but I did not want to add any flat ironing. The leave out that I do have is braided up at the front, and then the leave out I do have in between the tape-in extensions are braided up at the bottom, which you all will see when I show you all the demonstration of how I install them. But I want to first talk about the packaging and like how the hair came and give you guys a little bit more detail before I go into it. So and all of this will also be in the description box. So if you miss out or you want to skip to the demonstration part or whatever, and you just want to check out the description box, go ahead, go ahead and do that if that's what you gotta do. Just make sure that you stop by my Instagram at mikoemi.koh and follow me there. And if you have any questions, you can DM me and I'll respond with all the answers. I showed you guys the box already. They always have the same packaging. They've had this for a few years now, but it's beautiful packaging. The purple and the sparkles. And then this is typically how the packaging looks. They always add some extra goodies in there. But so I'm going to start off with, this is a hair. This is in 20 inches, and this is the premium 100% Remy 20-inch kinky straight hair, and they're tape-in extensions. So put in some flexi rods, which is cute. So I mean, I don't know if this is enough flexi rods to do all this hair, but they add some flexi rods. So if I wanted to like wear more of my leave out and I wanted to blend my natural hair with the extensions, I could flexi rod set it with a nice mousse or foam or some type of firm hold to give it like a crinkly look. That way it would blend a lot better. How the hair looks, beautiful kinky texture, kinky straight texture. It looks is 20 inches. So let me show y'all how it comes. It comes kind of down to my, let me see, let me get on this bed. As you can see, it goes kind of down to my butt. So it's butt length on me. I'm 5'5". Pull off the white part on it, and then it has the adhesive that you tape underneath. I suggest 2 bundles. 3 if you have thick hair or if you want really thick hair in your head, because I like a full look. But I mean, this right here, half of my head was one whole bundle, so the other half would be another bundle. I've been wearing this hair for about a week now, and it doesn't tangle. This hair is this is some nice hair. I'm not even gonna lie, this is very nice hair. Let me know if you want me to do a pros and cons video about these tape-in extensions once I experience it like fully, because I'm probably gonna wear these for like maybe a couple of weeks. So let's get into the demonstration. So whenever I do my hair, I really like to work in sections. So here I'm just sectioning out a portion of my hair about ½ an inch wide, just so that I can go ahead and separate it so that I can prepare it for the install of the tape-ins. So as you can see here, I highly suggest working in sections. It'll make your life easier and it'll make everything a lot neater. So I decided that I'm going to braid the ends of my hair, leaving about enough room for me to apply the tape-in extensions at the roots. But I really want to protect the ends because I do not want to flat iron it. I would rather just braid it up at the ends and have it concealed within the tape ends. So for the tape ends, you're going to need two. The first one, you're going to peel off the white layer so that you can expose the adhesive. And with this first one, you're going to put at the bottom of your braid. So that's underneath the section that you created. And even if you don't have a braid, just make sure you pull it very tight and you just stick that piece at the bottom of the section. And so how this works is you're going to sandwich the two tape ends with your hair in the middle of both of them. So I'm applying the second layer, and here you're going to stick them directly on top of each other with your hair sandwiched in the middle, and make sure that you hold them together and press down for at least 30 seconds to make sure the adhesive sticks onto your hair. I really love this protective style. As you can see, I'm showing you all how I did it again. It's very easy to install. I like it way better than the microlinks because I feel like it's generally better for me in general. And it's better for my hair. The microlinks I felt like were breaking off my hair, but this I can just spray some water and oil and hopefully the tape ends will just slide right on out. So this is definitely something that could be utilized as a protective style. I didn't put them directly on my roots because I just didn't want to pull out my roots or anything. So I left a really good amount, as you can see, from the roots to where I put the tape ends, which is probably why it's a little bit longer. So this might be waist length instead of butt length if you are going to put it directly close to the roots, which I do not suggest doing that. But this is the final look. Yeah, it's a really fun style. I added some cute little beads to it, as you guys will see here. And it's just so cute. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. I love you all. Bye.